guys, so I'm making another one of these because this one works on air but didn't work on steam, and I don't understand why. So I thought, you know what, I want to make one with standing up and see if I can get it to work on steam. So here I am. I thought I'd get a couple of aluminium, the 1 3/4 inch long, and a bit of brass. Hopefully one goes on that side, the other one goes on the other side like this, and see what I can do with that. I'm going to mark holes and drill them. I've got to make sure that I have a way of fixing this here. So I'm going to mark holes so a screw can actually go in, like this one here. Screws are gone in, so fix it on like that. So guys, I've marked them, I'm going to drill them out. I think I'm using a 10mm drill here. 10mm. Got my reamer, 9.5 reamer. Sorry, this is a 9.5 drill bit. 10mm reamer. And so guys, I've set it up to drill the large hole. Well guys, guess what? I found this stainless, perfect size for this. It goes nice and smoothly in there. So I'm going to use that. I've done a split there, but I'm not sure if I can use it or not. If not, I'll put a brass bush, some kind of thing to hold it. I will do it that way. Just going to take a little bit off here so that we have a piston in and out like that. Well guys, this is what I've done. It's not the best machining, of course, but I think it'll work. We'll see.